Meghalayani keha takhuk Brunis ar marak mangoi bini Bihik media hangmano kamajai tabok mela bakha dukho ba bakha sajai tongo takhuk Brunis ar marak bo Bihik no Tripura hani chalabai khari thang hinui suspect khlaimani bisingtwi bo Tripura dugni bisingtwi bo saikhana rakha bini Bihik khanmani borokno phaire chwng borok kwsak khanai.
Hello everyone, my name is Brunis Almarak and I am from Northeast Meghalaya. I am from Northeast Meghalaya, Satgari Hills, Bakmara. My wife name is Mithya Esama and her father name is Morsing Esmarak and mother name is Saiti Esama. So she was meeting from last January 21. She was meeting from last January 21. Till now, we didn't get any information about her. So she was meeting with someone unknown person who is from Tripura. So that's why I would like to request you to all Tripura people, if you find my wife anywhere, please inform to nearest police stations and please inform me. I will give my number in the screens also. We had already given the FIR to police stations also. So please, if you find anywhere, please inform to nearest police stations and inform me. So and that's all. So thank you everyone.